This has been like a light bulb moment, learning all the tools, the gadgets that I can use. I intend to take this with me to Africa and spread the word. I can't just believe what I've learned in only 3 days. And I would like to get one of the trainers with me to Africa to spread all this. I actually understand how this is going to change people's lives. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Sean Davis. I've got my own business, run a lighting business. This has just been fantastic learning for me, looking at what we're already doing, seeing what we can do better. Really took on board. The video stuff's amazing. We need to do a lot more with that. It's a new media for us, and what Ben showed us has just been fantastic. There's so much out there. We've got a year's worth of work just from this course without even trying.
Hi there, I'm Derek Duncan, a professional trader. This weekend's been a really good course. Learned a lot and I can see how it's going to make my business grow.
Hi, this has been the Internet Business School Diploma Course. It's just been an amazing 3 days. I've just been so motivated. I know that I can change career and that the future is bright. The content of the course has just been quality, such value for money, and it just instills confidence in you that you can go and do whatever you want to do.
Well, I've had a great 3 days. I learned so much. I've tried to do this on my own before, and it's taken me 2 years nearly, and I haven't got anywhere, and the course has just put it out structured and ready to go away now and implement all those ideas and then start doing it on my own. It's absolutely worth it and completely worth getting involved.
I came on the course to grow my current business. I had reservations that I might not understand everything that was happening because I was really out of love with my current business and I felt stuck in it and it didn't seem to be growing. I didn't understand why, but I know there wasn't as much action on Facebook and my website. And now I've kind of fallen back in love with my business because I've got all these new great ideas and things I can implement, and I just know it's going to create more sales. And so I feel really excited.
I was one of those people that came along with my partner. He's the more technically minded one, and didn't quite know what to expect. I knew some of it would definitely go over my head, but it's definitely opened up huge possibilities for me in business. I didn't really have any reservations about coming. I got the sense that Simon was definitely a trusted expert in his field. He came on recommendation from somebody else that I trusted. He seemed like a very likeable character. So yeah, no real reservations. The best parts of the course really are just being around other like-minded people, opening your mindset up to the different possibilities of using online marketing in many different ways, and just that you can really monetize that and reach more people. Well, the bigger picture is earning more, reaching more people, having a better lifestyle, being able to look after my children, securing funds for them, going on bigger, better, happier holidays, and yeah, just that security really. I'd highly recommend the course. The content is amazing. There's so much to take in. I've been in business for over 20 years and I feel like I'm just scratching the surface and there's so much more to learn.
These guys really are experts in what they're talking about. I feel like I've learned a lot in many different areas. There's quite a lot, so you can feel a little bit overwhelmed, but I think it's picking one or two things to start with and really running with those. But yeah, you're with people that are successful in what they're talking about. I think things to take away from the course are there's many different ways to be successful in terms of internet marketing. You could do videos, you can do kind of affiliate marketing, you can look at Facebook, social stuff. It's picking the one that feels right for you to start with and then kind of going back through the content and just working through that really. Knock-on effect of attending this course is I'm very positive about kind of future businesses and where that can take us. Lots of ideas to go away and start with. So yeah, great weekend. Really it's just starting to look at what lifestyle I want to build and how I can use these tools to build that lifestyle. So I definitely recommend this course. these guys can really help you if you're a non-techie. If you're a techie as well, they know what they're talking about. So I would recommend this course to lots of different people. It's a really good overview of lots of different things, but also there's some real content in each one of those things. So definitely recommend it.
These skills are transferable to every single business, and every single business needs all these skills. And so I feel like it's something that's going to really help in the future. My children have businesses. We're going to apply all this to their businesses and their websites to grow their products and whatever they're doing as well. So if you are in business, you need to do a course like this if you want to be successful, because everything's online now. Everyone searches for your business online. If they can't find you because you don't know how to make yourself visible, then it's very hard to grow your business. So I think everybody needs this course if you want to be successful and be found and get more customers and ultimately more money and have a better life. Right, I'd say yeah, these people are very genuine, they're honest, they're very helpful. You will get value for money out of this course, although it is a lot to take in. Obviously, the action you apply to it is where you're going to get your return, but the tools and the skills and the how to do that we've learned since being here, I think is invaluable.
Please come and do this course. You'll see how your life's going to be changed.